Hi, this is Ryan with SoftLedger. In this video, I will be running through a quick overview of the SoftLedger accounting periods. You can manage your accounting periods under the Admin drop-down menu here. To start off, click New to add an accounting year and enter the start date of your fiscal year. Then hit Submit. Make sure to add in accounting years for all time periods you plan to bring in accounting data for. For example, if your first transaction in SoftLedger is in May 2019, you should add a 2019 accounting year. Accounting years are broken down further into 12 monthly periods and split out by ledger. To close a period, click the lock icon and hit Confirm. The AR, AP, and financial modules can be closed and reopened non-chronologically. However, inventory, crypto, and the FX module must be closed and reopened chronologically. You can also delete the created accounting years if all modules are not locked and the year is either most recent or oldest of all accounting years created in SoftLedger. For the FX module, you will need to have a foreign gain-loss account set. To do this, you must first navigate to Locations located under Financial. Here, you can set and change both the foreign gain-loss account and retained earnings ledger accounts on a per location basis. You would then hit Submit. The retained earnings entry is also booked to the ledger account selected from this page. In addition, when closing the FX module, only ledger accounts with revalue forex flag will be revalued at month end. Once your foreign gain-loss account is set, you can close the FX module for a given period. SoftLedger will determine which fiat currency pairs need to be calculated based on your reporting and transaction currencies used in the period. After confirming your foreign exchange rates, click the Post Revaluation to close the FX. Again, the FX module can only be closed when the other ledger modules have been closed for the monthly period. Similarly, the status column can only be closed after all other ledger modules have been closed. Finally, once all periods for your year have been closed, you can click the lock icon for that year to close it out. This is the action that actually books the retained earnings entries. That concludes our overview of the SoftLedger accounting periods. If you'd like to know more and/or set up some time to discuss live, please reach out and request a demo. Thanks for watching.